Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Autonauts on a Chromebook. We created a tutorial earlier, but due to back-end changes to the game, the tutorial stopped to work, so we created this new tutorial. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Linux icon on the left panel. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to download the Linux installation package from their website. You can choose any one of the two Linux installers. Now we will open it in our file manager. Move the installer to the Linux folder. Now we will move to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Autonauts. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will unzip the installation package. This command should run automatically as soon as you paste it into a terminal session. Now we will make the package executable. Now we will install a menu editor, which we will use to add Autonauts to our menu. Press Enter to confirm the installation. With the last command, we will launch the menu editor. Choose the category. Create a launcher. Create a name for the launcher. The command is the installation package inside the extracted folder called Autonauts.x8664. Save the launcher. Now we will launch Autonauts. Enjoy Autonauts.